What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. Don't forget, this Monday, June 19th, we are giving away these Klein tools as a one kit package. Got wire strippers, 2 screwdrivers, diagonal cutters with an offset head, it looks like, and pair of linesmen. Then you got a clamp meter, non-contact voltage tester, another voltage meter, and GFCI receptacle tester. Does come with a carry case, and it looks like maybe the leads are back there for the clamp meter. And there's also going to be another giveaway item, and it should be a blast. So it'll be 9:15 Eastern Standard Time, Monday, June 19th, 9:15 p.m. So make sure you're there to win this kit for a chance to win it. Also, if you guys can go down into the description of this video and subscribe to my buddy, he's very close, 55 away from 1,000. I think it'd be awesome to get him there this weekend. I'll keep posting videos and in my posts, but if you guys could go over there, he's got an awesome channel. He's always tinkering around. Great content, great creator, and a great guy. So go check him out. Everything's adjustable. I'll link his channel in the description. Please go subscribe. I'd like to see him get up over that 1,000 subscriber mark. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Later.